Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is John, and I'm just doing another video of security light, Hypertough 500 aluminum solar security light. If you go to my YouTube channel, you will see that I've gotten different kinds of security lights, and I pretty much basically stayed with the Hypertough. Hypertough has been working out for me pretty good. Bought one almost a year ago, and they still work. So I decided to get another security light. This was actually pretty cheap. I wanted to cover an area in my house, around my house, that wasn't covered, but I didn't want to buy another expensive light. I just wanted to buy something small. So I decided to check this out. So I decided to get the Hypertough 500 aluminum solar security light. So in this video, I'm just unboxing it. Look for my next video. You'll see where I placed it, and you'll see a demonstration of how the unit works. So I went ahead, I got the unit. It's pretty much basically almost the same as the other units that I've gotten. All right. The main unit, like you see in the picture, okay, it comes with the main unit, as you'll see over here, and you have the main unit, which is right over here, and on the back you can take the back plate off, and you'll see that's where the battery's at. Okay, that's for the rechargeable battery. All right, and then you have this right over here, which is for the back plate. Okay, which is this part right here. Okay, which fixes onto that, and then you have this part, which is right over here, which fixes onto the side of the house. All right, and then here is the solar panel. Now, it was actually kind of a little bit more smaller than the other unit that I purchased from Hypertough, but we'll see what happens when I install it, how good it works. Okay, so it's only 500 aluminum, so I'm not really expecting too much out of this unit, so we'll see what happens. Okay, they also give you the back plate and the two small screws, which I'll show you right over here. Okay, those, and then they give you extra screws. You want to put them into the side of the house. All right, and then here's the back plate right there. Right, and that's going to be for right over there. So it's relatively pretty easy to install. Should take you only about, I would say about 15 minutes if you already picked out the desired location. So pretty so far, I've lucked out pretty good as far as getting covering most of the around the house. Also, I've cut down my electrical bill. My electrical bill on an average is about, I would say, anywhere between $30 to $39. And that's even with running air conditioning, because I've cut down on some cost-saving ways to reduce energy. A lot of the exterior lighting, I've gone with solar, and it's worked out pretty good. So there we go again. Here we go with the Hypertough 500 aluminum solar security light. So look for my next video. I'll show you where I installed it, and then how it works. If you ever want to check out my YouTube channel, subscribe, comment, and like, and see you next time.